Hello class, Mr. Young here. Welcome to chapter 11. This is going to be pretty much chapter 11 is going to fill us up until the winter break. So it'll be our last module and chapter of the year. Let's take a look at it. It's called Growth and Industrialization. There's three sections, three lessons in here. And I broke up lesson 3 into 2 lessons. So there'll be intro day. Well, I can tell you all about it. Let's go over the content real quick. Lesson 1 is all about industrialization. What's this mean? Basically, we go from sort of this agrarian society and we start to build factories and new inventions like the steamboat and canals and a locks and dam system and things like that. Lesson 2, we talk a lot about moving west, expanding into like the Louisiana Purchase and out west that way. And then lesson 3 covers a lot of the politics of all these things happening, like a big thing we talk about is sectionalism, which is one of your vocab words on the next page, where basically the sections, what's good for different parts of the nation, starts being a lot different. We've kind of talked about these tensions a little bit with, say, like the South not liking tariffs and the North liking tariffs. These differences between the different portions of the United States, the North, the South, and the West, start to really show. So that's basically what we're talking about this chapter. Now, I did say that we're going to basically use this chapter to fill up until the end of the year, until we get to winter break. So today is probably the 12th. Let's take a look at our calendar here. So we have basically to fill up till here. So we have intro day is the 12th, and then lesson 1. Lesson 2, lesson 3, part 1, because I split that up. And then you're going to come back on Monday. I have a little writing exercise for you. I haven't quite panned it out yet, but the way it works is I'll find a primary source document, maybe like a statement or a press release. I'm looking at probably doing professional athletes this year. You have to read it, and then you're going to answer questions about it using specific as evidence from the reading. So it might be, say, a statement on some current event from, say, LeBron James, and you'll read it, and the question might be, how does LeBron James feel about this? And then you have to use a quote directly from the reading to answer the question. So it's something like that, like text-dependent analysis type stuff that you've been learning about in English class. But there'll be far more instruction on that when you actually get there. That'll be the 18th, Monday the 18th, and then we have a lesson on the 19th, a study day, a test day, and that takes us all the way to the last day of school before the break, which is December 22nd, and all you're going to have that day is a current event. Usually you do current event on Thursday, so I'm going to change it to current event Friday that week, just so you have something easy on that last day before the break. I know you'll probably have, winter breakitis. Mr. Young too. I feel the call of the break pulling on me. So we'll have an easy day that day. I'll change the name to Current Event Friday. That'll be the thing. So test there on the Thursday. Right here. And then current event. And then boom. Winter break all week. I think we come back on the 2nd. Yeah, we come back on the 2nd on Tuesday. So that's how the year's going to pan out from here on out. We're doing chapter 11. It's a writing thing thrown in there. Current event gets its own Friday, and then the rest of the test of the content of chapter 11. That's it. Go ahead, bump to the next page, take a look at the vocab, and then it's just a simple matching vocab quiz today. All right, yeah, have a good one. I'll see you on the next page.